Well, good morning. It's Crazy Cheap Chick, and I did not have to get a lot of groceries this week. I did go to two grocery stores, Dillon's and Walmart. We're getting ready to go on vacation soon, and so there won't be some cooking videos for a couple of weeks. I've made a few videos ahead, and I'm going to probably post some travel videos, maybe while I'm gone, maybe when I get back, depending on how it goes. But this week I am mostly trying to use up what food I have. I want to leave my refrigerator pretty empty. But we are going to have a few things this week. My grandkids are coming over to spend the night, five out of the seven, and we're having a big family breakfast on Sunday morning. So there'll be about 12, 13 people here. So I had to get food for that event. So I did have to get some groceries. I think I spent about $108 this week. But let me show you what I got and what deals I found, and we'll talk a little bit more about how to save money. This doesn't seem like it should be $47.83 worth of food, but it was. This is all from Walmart, and I got these fudge striped cookies for $1.73 a package because I'm having some grandkids this weekend, and we're gonna make s'mores. They'll roast the marshmallows in the fireplace, and instead of having to buy graham crackers and chocolate, you can just use fudge striped shortbread cookies. They're really good. 4 avocados, some high dollar eggs, $4.16 for 12 eggs. That's crazy. Some French fries for $2.98 because I'm too lazy to make my own in the next couple of days. I'm still trying to get over this virus. I had to buy 3 cans of this white corn. It's really expensive. It's $1.94 a can, but I'm going to use a can in tonight's meal. I'm making some white chili, and then I am making a dish to take to a friend's house for dinner on Sunday, and I needed 2 cans. Taco shells. We'll probably have some tacos one night. I think I've got everything for tacos. I think these are like $1.64. Some cream for $4.98. Some Krusteaz cornbread mix for $2 a box. I have that with the white chili, and I just wanted to have a spare on hand. Oh, some equal substitute type stuff. This stuff's gotten real expensive. It's $2.64 a package. And some fettuccine for $2.47. Some little grape tomatoes. I could only find organic. Maybe they had them somewhere else, but these were $2.90 a package, which seemed a little high. And then this chicken broth, which was $1 a package, which is way cheaper than all the other stores in town. You want to look at the per ounce, and even when it's on sale, it'll show you per ounce. But even though this is less expensive, I probably am going to buy this. I'm willing to pay 12 cents more. So you've got to learn to look at these codes, because here's these graham biscuits. There's 20 in a package, and they're $6.79. And I'm like, oh man, that's extraordinarily high. Well, then you go down here to these Kroger biscuits, and they're only $3.99. So you think, oh, okay, that's a better deal. But look at this. Okay, so here's, how much is it per ounce? 16.3 for the grams, and 16 cents per ounce for these. So there's really hardly any difference at all between the two prices. Wow, did you ever think you'd see eggs for $10? Today I spent $60.31 at Dillon's. I'm going to show you what I got. And some is full price, some is on sale, and some is clearance, like always. Got some cilantro. Here it's 89 cents. And some hashed brown potatoes, because my family, I'm going to have my grandkids over on Saturday night, and they're going to spend the night. And then all the family will come Sunday morning and we'll have a big family breakfast. And so I had to get 2 of these hash browns, which were really fairly expensive. I think they were like, $3.29 or something like that. And you could make them a lot cheaper, but you have to count your sanity into all this. Then I needed 2 avocados for a dish. I got the sausage, which I think was $2.99 also for this breakfast. Cherries, because I love cherries. They were on sale for $2.99 a pound. And these biscuits will be for our family breakfast, and this bacon will be for our family breakfast. And I had to pay full price for these things. I think the biscuits were $3.99 and that bacon was $4 something. I also had to pay full price for this corn, which was like $2.29 for a dish that I'm making. And everything else was clearance. I got this steak for $4.15. And this also, and we will probably have steak one night with a big potato or some other vegetables. And I may use this in a stir fry. And then everything else was clearance. They had these breadcrumbs on clearance for $1.03. And I'm probably going to make some chicken parmesan. I've been wanting to make that for a while. Haven't made it in a long time, but I do love it. And I really try to stay away from processed foods, but I did not do so good today because they had these cookie mixes for 75 cents. And I got 6 of them because that's really inexpensive. I've got 7 grandkids. And in the summer, my grandkids come one day a week for what we call Camp Nana Banana. And I always provide treats. So when I can find stuff on clearance, and like if I could throw these in the freezer and they'll still be good by June, then that helps me out on cost. Then these things were all on clearance. I love this dark chocolate dessert hummus. I don't know if you've ever had it. It's really, really good. I like to dip apples in it. And just by coincidence, they had 4 apples in one of these red net bags, which makes them $1. 5 oranges for $1. These tomatoes for $1. And some kind of weird pear for $1. And then I could not, you know me, I can't resist when they have clearance plants. And this one was $2. Well, these won't, these are not going to last very long. So I may get to enjoy them for a day or two. But the main reason I wanted to buy them was for the bulbs, because I came and buy bulbs for $2 and those are really pretty. So once they quit blooming, I'll plant them. Oh, and the other thing about these tulips, for $2, probably couldn't buy the bulbs for $2, but I probably couldn't buy a pot for $2. Has anyone else noticed how expensive flower pots have gotten? It's outrageous. And I forgot I bought these. I'd already put them in the freezer. These were 99 cents. And, you know, my grandkids are my Achilles heel. I try not to eat a lot of processed foods, and I really should be teaching them not to eat a lot of processed foods. But as grandmas, that's what we do. We fill them full of sugar and send them home. And my husband always says it's their parents' responsibility to feed them well and to teach them good eating habits, and we don't have to worry about it. So I guess I'm listening to him.
Okay, no, you want to try to do bad so no one guesses. Goose! Duck! Duck!
Alright, way to go.
Yes.
Heart attack!
Fall over!
Good enough, falling. You gonna hold it? Yeah. Okay, you gotta keep it.
Stay far back.
Upon a time when I was little, long
How
time
little?
ago, I don't remember. We were riding our bikes, and then suddenly I went over my handlebars, and there was blood everywhere.
Blood everywhere?
It was so hurt.
Ugh.
thankfully, I healed up.
One time when I was little, I was staying at my grandma's house, and she didn't have any air conditioning, and it was really, really hot, and the windows were open, and the only thing between me and the outdoors was a window screen, and I could hear something outside, and it went like this. Woo, woo, woo! Woo, 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 woo!
Was it a coyote?
It was a coyote. And I ran to my grandma and I said, Grandma, there's something outside and it's howling and it's gonna get me. And my grandma said, that's just a coyote. You'll be fine. And she said, go back to bed. And I said, but Grandma, the only thing between me and that coyote is a window screen. And she said, that coyote's more afraid of you than you are of it. And you know what? It did not come in, and I was all right.
Sometimes my grandma says that to me when I get afraid when I was 1 year old.
Yeah? Is everybody settled in? Well, thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. Makes me think that you're probably pretty money conscious and a good cook yourself. That's how you learn, is by watching other people's videos. At least that's how I learn a lot. So leave me a comment, give me a like, consider subscribing. We do all kinds of fun things out here at Brightbridge Farm, so you are invited. Consider this your official invitation to join us with everything we do out here on the farm, from cooking to gardening to all the animals that we see on a daily basis. I hope you have a great evening.